All right, so it's time to do some analysis. What do you think and why? Analysis is different from summary, as you know, and I wanted to point out clearly why that is. As we said, as I pointed out in the summary explanation, summaries are a concise presentation of the main points of something. And your summary should be objective. You're just presenting the facts without trying to say what you think. Analysis is where you get to tell us what you think. That's when you get to make an argument or reach a conclusion about why something matters or what you make of it. So when you're doing analysis, you're examining and interpreting information. You might discuss why something is important. You might agree or disagree. You might make connections with other ideas or subjects that are important. There's a lot of ways of doing analysis, and we're going to be talking quite a bit about this over the summer, but this is a nice little place to start. So when you craft your analysis paragraph, there's 3 steps. The first step is to do some brainstorming, which I always recommend that you do on paper to try to write out your thoughts. It is often very helpful and generates new ideas. So whether you prefer to type or to write with a pen or pencil, either works great. But give yourself 5 to 10 minutes of just writing down all the ideas that come to you after reading these articles. And then step 2 is to choose a focus. In order to write a successful analysis paragraph, you need to choose a focus. You probably have come up with many interesting ideas, but you can't fit them all into your paragraph. So choose one as your focus. And then you're ready to write your analysis paragraph. Take your focused idea and make that your topic sentence. This is the first sentence of your paragraph. And then you add supportive sentences after your topic sentence. You might try explaining your topic sentence, explaining why you believe in that topic sentence, showing why your topic sentence is true by giving examples, or pointing out why your topic sentence matters. Okay, so remember, your topic sentence is your main focused idea. So whatever idea it is that you want to point out to the reader, I want to give you an example of one of these. So here is someone who was writing about the problem of stereotypes. And this paragraph is focused around how stereotypes affect Asian Americans. Okay, so we all have heard stereotypes about every group there is around, right? And Asian Americans are often stereotyped as being really smart, right? They're good at math, etc. So we often might think, oh, those are good stereotypes. This writer wants us to know that these can be a problem. Okay, so that's where they're coming from. And look at this first sentence. This is their topic sentence. This is their focus. While many stereotypes about Asian Americans may seem rather benign, these stereotypes have continued to prevent Asian American citizens from being seen as individuals. All right, that's the key idea. So everything else in this paragraph should either explain that idea, should elaborate on why that idea is important, right? And if you look, I'm going to let you read the rest on your own and see how this paragraph works to present that one focused idea. All right, it's your turn. Go ahead and give it a try.